Hey everyone, it's your girl Cassandra Olivia, and I'm back with a new client silk press. So this client was amazing. She actually is a hairstylist located in Newcastle, Delaware. She specializes in braids and natural hair. So I'm going to be sure to link her information at the end. So she came in for my new client silk press package, which includes 3 shampoos, a deep condition, it's fully steamed, as well as a complimentary hair trim, and of course having your hair pressed, blown out, and styled. So here we are, we're just going in. As you can see, my client has lovely natural hair that she's been taking care of on her own, but she wanted to just come in and treat it and basically start her healthy hair journey. So we're just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use my spray bottle to go ahead and saturate her hair. I did go ahead and add a heat protectant, and as you guys know, I will be sure to link everything down below. And I am going in with my Paul Mitchell 427 paddle brush just to detangle her hair and make sure that everything is nice and smooth. And then I'll also be going in with my Rust Speed Freak blow dryer, which is also linked on my Amazon store. I just want to say thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you for following me on all my socials. For those of you who do, I am on Instagram, I'm on TikTok, I'm on Facebook, I'm on Threads. I'm pretty much everywhere you can think of at this time. And I'm growing all of my platforms simultaneously, and it's been a fun journey to say the least. So I'm just going to go ahead and blow her out. You guys know this is super simple, super self-explanatory. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them down below. But I'm just going to go ahead and section her hair out, saturate every section with the water as it dries out, just to make sure everything is nice and easy to detangle. And then I'm going to use that same paddle brush, work from the ends to the roots, just to detangle her hair. And then I'm going to go in and then really get each section. So I don't know if it's just me, but I always get really nervous when I have other hairstylists come in. It's not that I'm not confident in my work or anything, but I know everybody has their own method to their madness and their own techniques. And I feel like sometimes as hairstylists, when we get our hair done, we do like to micromanage. However, that was not the case. She totally trusted me. And of course, I walked her through the entire process. And she was so professional and personable. So I would 100% recommend my clients to go to her for braiding services. She is on point. When I say on time, clean, professional, she knows what she's doing, and she does not play any games. So if you're looking for somebody where you know you're not going to be sitting there all day waiting to get your hair done with 100 other people, then be sure to check my girl Deets out. And again, I'm going to link her information in the description box and also on her page at the end. So here we are, we're just blow drying. And of course, you guys know I like to go in and round brush. Once I'm done, I like to go in and make sure all the roots are dry. And then I just do one more session of round brushing just to make sure everything is nice and straight. And then I'm going to go in with my custom flat iron. You guys know I've been selling these for the last 6 years now. And we're going to go ahead and press her hair out. And always be sure to use a heat protectant prior to blow drying and also prior to straightening the hair. That's just going to help make sure that the hair is nice and healthy and that it lasts. Another thing I'm going to add at the end of this video is her review. She got her hair done on March the 27th, and she texted me on April the 21st telling me that her hair lasted. So I'm going to add that towards the end. So yeah, it was almost a month that she had her hair silk pressed. If you guys take care of your hair, my silk press typically lasts 3 to 4 weeks. Even with it being hot and rainy out, as long as you maintain your hair, it will last. Another thing I do for my clients when they're in the chair, I like to talk to them about their hair care routine, their maintenance, their lifestyle, and what goals they're trying to achieve. And then something that I do complimentary is after every client who books with me, when they're done, before they leave, they already have an auto email that goes out that lets them know product recommendations based off of if they have natural hair, if they have color treated hair, braids, breakage, so on and so forth, just so that way they know how to maintain their hair in between getting their hair done. So here I am, I'm just kind of speeding through the press because this part is super simple, but I did want to make sure I edited this video because I'm literally running out of storage at this point and I had to get this out. Again, I did her hair about a month ago and I'm so behind. I have probably 20 client videos I need to post and edit, but your girl has been working, and come June, I'm going to be on my full-time content creator bag, so I will be way more available on here and posting a lot more. But right now, until then, I'm just in grind mode until the kids get out of school. But I want to say thank you to everybody who is subscribed to my channel. Thank you to everybody who supports me, everybody who watches my content, whether you like it, dislike it, share it. We just hit 186,000 subscribers not too long ago, and my goal is 200,000. So I'm really going to push myself this year to hit that. I know I've been saying that for a while now, but I take long breaks and I'm not really consistent, which is totally my fault, because I feel like if you hit 100K, you can definitely hit 200K and so on and so forth. But you have to have that consistency and the discipline. And I'll be the first to say I have not been as consistent as I wanted to be. So thank you guys just for being patient. So here I am. I'm just showing a few snippets of me trimming her hair. We're going in. She did need a haircut. A haircut is an inch or more. A trim I consider an inch or less, but call it what you want to call it at this point. But I'm just going in and following her natural shape, creating her guideline, and then I did pull everything out at a 90-degree angle, just going in, point cutting, and making sure to take all of those dead ends out, which allows for the hair to look a lot smoother and healthier. Now, once we were done, I did go ahead and just feather her hair, ran the rake comb through it, and then we got some behind the scenes footage. And she also is a content creator as well. She has a YouTube channel, so I will be sure to link that. And one thing about Deets, I will tell you guys, she put me on. She was like, look, when you're done, because my room is black, and you guys know I always complain about like the lighting in here because it's no mirrors, no windows, no natural lights. So she was like, when you're done, cut all the lights off and cut your ring light on. It'll make the end result look so much better. So you're going to see me playing around with that towards the end. But this is how her trim came out. Everything looks nice and healthy, and I'm just going in, taking a look, making sure everything's fine. You guys already know I give my clients the mirror. I walk them through the whole entire service. I don't just go in and start cutting. And sidebar, this wig that I had on, I wore one day, y'all. This was a synthetic wig, and it was so freaking terrible. So I wore it with this little hat just for this day, and then I threw it in the trash literally the same day. So here I am just going in with my Ray-Ban Meta Glass. As you guys know, I have these now, and I absolutely love these for going out and recording content and also just getting different points of views. So I also have those linked on my Amazon store. Definitely recommend getting those if you are a content creator trying to take your content to the next level. One thing I like about Meta Ray-Bans is the fact that you can record hands-free, and you can also go live on the Metas as well as answer calls, listen to music. There's so many things you can do on there. You can literally look at somebody in your glasses and ask what you're looking at, or look at something like, for example, a rose, and it will describe what you're looking at. So I just think that's so helpful, and they are a game changer. So shout out to my husband for getting those for me last year. I literally just told him like maybe a day or two before Mother's Day, or I think my birthday, I can't remember, that I wanted them, and he pulled through because my husband be husbanding. So this is her end result. It looks nice and shiny, and this is with the lights off. Guys, look at the difference and clock that, honey. So I'm just gonna have her shake her hair back and forth. I'm pretty much done this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had to do this on my lunch break, so sorry if this is kind of fast, but I appreciate you all. Here we just got our little behind the scenes footage, and then I'm going to add her page right here, and I'm also going to be sure to add her review because again, I did the timestamp of when she came in March versus the timestamp of her text telling me that her hair lasted. So be sure to subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment down below if you want to see more of this type of content. Be sure to follow me on my socials, Facebook, especially Instagram, TikTok, all of that if you were there, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay, so I lied. So I'm probably going to end up going live either tonight or tomorrow to color Livy's hair because she decided she's tired of the fashion colors and she wants to go back brown. So stay tuned for that. I will be going live either here or on TikTok. So be sure to follow me on both and have your notifications set, and I will see you guys later.